Hey, welcome again. Welcome again. Welcome. So, I just want to quickly, as I've said earlier, subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. As you can see, I post lovely content, I post amazing content, and for now, what we are going to be starting is website development. So, I created a playlist here that will help you. It will guide you on how you can go about it step by step. After one video you watch the other, after one video you watch the other, and that's how that was why and that was why I created the playlist, so it can guide you. So let's just get started. So I want to show you something on my cpanel just now. So I want to install WordPress, and want to start creating our website straightforward. So it's going to take us to, and as you can see, take a look here. Let me zoom a little bit more so that you can see it. As you can see here, this is my main domain name. This is my main domain name, tesloveonline.com, and then I've already added some things there. Let's take a look at what is there already. So I already have my website running on my domain name. So let's just see. So I just want to show you something, guys. So as you can see, this is my website. As you can see, it's running already. It's running already. And I'm going to be showing you how you can create something beautiful just exactly like this. So what I want to do now is I want to create a subdirectory. So I will create a subdirectory with another name. So it's going to be like Tesla forward slash digital marketing or online marketing or anything just related to that. So as you can see, this is my website, this is my blog, this is just code, right? Some activities we're supposed to show here, but the network is quite bad. So let's get started. So you come to WordPress and you say install now. So you want to install WordPress into our server. When I mean our server, we want to import it into our, our workspace so we can start editing. So I'll just go with digital marketing when I'm creating a subdirectory for digital marketing. I'm creating a subdirectory for digital marketing, and I come ahead, I'll copy this password here, copy this password here. I really do not have to copy this. You can leave, because I do access my WordPress from directly from my cPanel, so I don't really go to all those test love online for us like WP admin. I just access it straight from my cPanel, and you can do that as well. So just leave most things like this. Just leave it like this, and just you can do this. I'll just come to selection. You can put anything here. Let's say O2. And say if you want your website to auto respond with new plugins, you can put it there, or you can leave it like this. And if you want website to automatically upgrade new WordPress theme, you can leave it like this. But if that happens, your website is gonna go down because the whole thing is gonna change. So I want to tell WordPress that I don't want them to do that. They should notify me before I do that, and I can do that manually. By so doing, I can be able to correct some things and get it done. So after this, I want to do something unique now. Okay, I can choose the if I want a lower version of WordPress, I can go ahead and just choose that. So I just go with 5.8.2, and then I can leave everything like this. I already copied this, so I I can leave this like this and just come to. So what I do is I just look for one theme to use, and take it and I just tell WordPress, oh, just install the just install this theme for me straightforward. Educator, just straightforward, just edit it into it straightforward. So I just come down. So the network is quite slow. Okay, so let's see, show all. Let's imagine I chose something like this. So they are showing me that, oh, Joseph, you have chosen fashion, and I just take a look. As you can see, this is fashion, this is the about, this is the blog, this is the home, and this is the contact page. So I just go ahead and just click on install now. Since I already chose this, I just click on install now, and it will take a while for my WordPress to be installed in my server. So in my database, so I can start editing fast and quick. So you wait for it to load. Take note, guys. Everything I'll be showing you here is not going to be edited. It's not going to be. It's just going to be straightforward, because I feel that if I take the video into the editor and I kind of still had some finishing touches to it, you might feel it's not real. So I just wanted everything to be so real, and that is the reason why I'm not really fancying the act of editing my videos. But if I find anyone that would be so good for me to edit, of course I will edit them and I'll put it. Then we can later change it. But for now, let's see, and I can still edit them later. But for now, I, so as you can see, this is my WordPress. This is my theme now. This is my what's the name? This is my website now. As you can see, blog. This is it now. This is my website. This is how my website is going to be. As you can you see it? So I've successfully installed Educator theme into my. Take a look at my URL, teslove.com/digital marketing. So I just go ahead and just I can close this page, and I just say thank you. And this is my administrative URL. I just go ahead and click this, so it can take me straight into my WordPress, and I can start editing. It has taken me to my dashboard now, straightforward. So this is my dashboard. And one thing that I want to do is my my themes that I want to use is not educator, is DV. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete and deactivate all these themes that have been there. So I come to appearance and I go to themes and I just deactivate and I reinstall what I want to use from it. So I go ahead. So okay, these are my themes. I go ahead to, so I'm going to delete everything that I met there. As you can see, I'm going to deactivate this. I'm going to deactivate this as well. This is the page layer. I don't want the page layer. And as a matter of fact, it's even premium. It's even for sale. So I don't want it. I just go ahead and deactivate it. So as it is now, I'm left with nothing. So I just come, let us see my pages, all my pages. So let us see the about, the home. So let's just wait for it while it loads. And this is my home. This is my home. This I don't want. I don't want this. This is not good. It's this TV that I want to use. So I go ahead and install TV as my themes. So I come to appearance, I come to themes. And meanwhile, if you want DV, you can go ahead to Evanto and get DV there. But if you want to, I could have taken you there and you could have seen yourself. DV should be around like $70 or thereabout. So if you want DV, I have it in my database in my flash drive. I can give it to you. You can go use it. So you are going to pay half of the money for the TV on Evanto, and I'll be giving you discount as the case may be, and I'll be giving you some additional things in addition. So let's just, so I'll go ahead and say add new. I want to add a new theme. So I said upload themes. So I just choose. So meanwhile, I already downloaded my DV and I'm just going to install it. Meanwhile, let me just take this quick and really explain to you. For you to upload anything as a plugin or as a theme on your WordPress, it has to be zipped. So you can use WinRAR to zip all your files so it doesn't, so it will be allowed on WordPress, because if it is not zipped, it will not be allowed. So I just go ahead and install what DV into my WordPress and I click on install now. So it's gonna take a while for it to load. So I just wait for it to add the theme. Guys, this is real. I'm not subtracting from it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to follow all these series back to back, back to back. I know by the time I'm done with this, you will be able to create your own fantastic website. And then this is the first that we are doing. We are going to do e-commerce, we are going to do logistics, we are going to do many of those websites. If we can still do banking, we will be able to do that. So but it's progressive thing, we have to do it one after the other. So don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel to enjoy more of all these fantastic ideas and information that I'm disseminating to you. So installing is going to take a while. It's going to take a while for you to upload the thing, but we just have to wait. So, so it's going to take a while for it to load this 18. It's taking a while because the bad network might be contributing to it. So we give it about 2 minutes for it to load. I could have paused the video and just, but I want it to be so real, so you will see the way the whole process is going. And then, so if you are doing yours, you will not be confused at all. So meanwhile, while this is getting ready, I want to go ahead and get my slider, and let me show you where Vanto you can get your themes from Evanto. And if you are a person that likes free theme, well, WordPress don't really like free theme though. If you use free theme, your website is gonna be somehow and you will not like it. And at the end of the day, you might even have problem with the website. So to avoid any story that touch the heart, please avoid using free themes for long. Well, you can use free themes from WordPress, but external themes don't really use it just for integration. You can just integrate it, but don't use it for long. So you can get amazing free themes on Jojo Themes, jojothemes.net, and you can get from Team Forest. Those two you can get amazing from them. So let's just get our resources ready. So as you can see, these are the files. These are the files we are going to be using this firework very soon. I have it there here as well, and we are going to be using these sliders as well. So I'm just going ahead and get one. Let me just download this number for slider so I can use it for the training. Wow, this thing is taking a long time. So, and another thing that I would like to show you is I just wanted things to be up, but now that it's not doing, let me show you something. This is firework here. This is firework. This is what you'll be using to design web header, web logo, anything related to your web. This is what you are going to be using. This is firework, and it's going to serve all the purpose of what you want. You can use it to create lovely logos or do a lot even with it. So let's just go ahead and just create one nice logo. So create file, let's say 300 to 300. Click on OK. So this is apparently the size of what I want to use as my logo. So we are just going to be creating something really. So let's see, let me see if, so as you can see, it is live now. It is installing themes installing themes uploaded file. It has uploaded the file, so we just go ahead and we activate it. So let's just come back to so I'm trying to get some. So let's see. So we can just say what should we use? Let's use my business name. Let's use test love. I want to even create a another logo for it before, so let's just go with it. And I just choose and I just say testloveonline.com, testlove online service, not .com, service. So I go ahead and change my arrow. So let me look for one thing that I can use as reference. Okay, as you can see, let's just come back to this place and just finish this once and for all. So, so now that our DV is on, now let's see. Have we activated it? Yes, we have activated it. Now let's see how our website will look like. So they will just come to pages. You see all pages. So we say let's edit home. So basically, so this is how you install your DV. You can install anything that you want to use. So I just say that use DV builder. So it's updating and is waiting. So edit with DV builder, and it's going to change the whole structure and it's going to look fantastic. So as you can see, this is my website. This is DV. So just accept the conditions. So you just see edit page. Just there are two sides. There's back end, there's front end. I'll still be showing you later in this video. Back end and front end. So while this page, I'm trying to do two things at a time. So okay, let me just use, let's just finish doing this first before we. So I go ahead and choose a template or a layout that I want to use. So I just say browse template. So these are the templates that are available for me to use. These are the templates that I can use. So I just go ahead and just choose the one that suits what I'm trying to do. So I'll just go ahead and choose, let me choose this. So I say use this template. Okay, there's one thing that we needed to do before this. Let me just quickly show you. Divi is not free, so that's the reason why they will, once you purchase it, they will give you the API key and the username. So let's just go back to our tools, and so we use, so let me get my keys ready. This is my key, Divi's key, yes. So I come to Divi, and I come to team builder. So let me get, my team is loading, my key is loading. Okay, these are my keys now. Let me, I think it's in the customization. Okay, it's the end. Yeah, it's right here. So we come to update. Just come to update, and you say the username and the API key. Just come ahead and just copy and just use your key. Just use your key, paste the username there, and take the password as well. If you want to use this password, I'll give it to you too, but it's not free. All these things that I'm using too, they are not free, so you have to pay for it too. You click on save changes. So as you can see, it has saved changes, and I can successfully go back. And another thing that will import is, okay, another thing that we want to import is our revolution slider. But let's just first edit our header. Okay, I think let me just stop here and continue from the header so that the video will be very quick, very easy for you to grab. So let's just stop here. So we'll be stopping here.